For exploring the different modifiers that are out there, there's probably a number of resources or tools, but one that I know of that seems pretty decent is called promptoMANIA. And let me show you how to use it. So it's got prompt builders for different models. So we'll click the Stable Diffusion one. And you start by putting in your subject. So the inside of a steampunk factory. All right, and then we will start adding details. So it's going to show us examples of what these different details will do to the image. And we need a base image. So we'll say, I'm going to try landscape. So we'll generate, the examples basically are landscapes with the details applied. So we can hide that. And then, artist is usually the first thing I would pick. They do have kind of an interesting collection here of art styles or of artists. But really what I wanted to show you here is this details section. And it can be a little overwhelming because it's this hierarchy of categories, but I'll show you a few that I think are kind of fun. Let's see, let's take a look at lighting. So yeah, I click lighting and it opens up these subcategories. And let's see, types, display styles, types. Yeah, backlight. What did I think was cool? There's one in here called flare. Where's that? Sunlight, Tesla coil. That's kind of fun. Be interested to play with that. Yeah, flare. Kind of a highlight. Cool. Okay, yeah, color. So do monochrome or color. And these are pretty interesting. I've played with polychromatic before. Yeah, neon can be fun too, especially if you're doing like cyberpunk or something like that. All right. Yeah, art mediums. Lots of these, obviously. Can create art in lots of different forms. Few that I thought were interesting. Drawing. There's storybook illustration. Visual novel. I haven't seen that one before. That's pretty. Paint. Yeah, painting, fine art. It seems like perhaps if you use fine art instead of painting that you might get a higher quality render. Oh, and you can build these up by clicking the plus button there. So that'll just essentially add the term to your prompt. Rock art, street art, that'd be funny to try. Yeah. Yeah, and then you'll also often see under display, people seem to put, like they'll add a resolution to the prompt often, because it does seem to have a fairly significant impact here. It seems like the HD stuff is more applicable to realistic imagery, so photography. And then these 4K, 8K, these are kind of strange. It's pretty interesting. If you use the face, you can see a little more clearly. Yeah, it's like 8K turns into computer graphics. But 4K seems nice. It says full HD. I wonder what it does with the sphere. Yeah, less interesting. Yeah, and then they do have, under the artist section, something that you won't find in the other tool that I was showing you. There's some styles, like in the style of Assassin's Creed. It's an interesting one. Also, there's rendering machines that it's another common artist choice is, let's see, where's Unreal Engine? You're in here somewhere. Oh, there it is. Unreal Engine. Yeah, I'm not sure what that is, but it's another. Cool. So, all right. Those are some strategies. Picking an artist, picking these details. Those are ways to manually, deliberately craft your prompt in a style that you're looking for. I don't know that I know the style that I'm looking for that well. So there's another technique you can use here that involves more like taking prompts essentially that other people have put together. So let's look at that.